everyone. As you can see, we have another Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us, and this time we have Captain Cassian Andor. I do have an older version of this figure, the red box. I never unboxed it. I was not a fan of the face, but as you can see, the face on this Captain Andor is pretty awesome. So what we're going to do today is take a look at the outside of the box here. We'll go ahead and unbox them, take some pictures, come back, and basically find out some of the things that we liked and or disliked about the figure. We will also take a look at his articulation as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box first. As you can see, we definitely have some things here. Looks like we've got a sidearm. Not sure what these guys are yet. We'll take a closer look and see what those are. We've got the mural on the side here. We've got Captain Cassian Andor. Awesome. And then on the back here, we can see he's number 2 in Rogue One, a Star Wars storyline. And then it also says, an accomplished Alliance intelligence officer with combat field experience. Captain Cassian Andor commands respect from his rebel troops and his ability to keep a cool head under fire and complete his missions with minimal resources. Awesome. Taking that along, and there we go. I've said it before, Rogue One is definitely one of my favorite Star Wars movies. It definitely grew on me over time, so I'm happy that they're re-releasing this with the all the additional figures, but we'll be taking a closer look at some of those as well. In future videos, I have unboxed 2 other ones as well, so make sure you check those out on the channel. So let's go ahead and unbox him now. As we do, we go from the bottom here. Typically you have less tape and it's just easier. So what we'll do is just go like this. If you're having any questions while we are unboxing this figure, make sure to ask down below, and I'll do my best to answer that for you. Pretty awesome. Alright, let's get the figure out. And I hate sometimes when they've got the tape just holding it in there. Is that a stock? Not exactly sure. It looks like a stock. There we go. All right. Ugh. All right, so I'll be right back. We'll go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and we'll take a look at Cassian Andor's articulation. All right, so we were able to get everything cleaned up here. This rifle is going to be awesome. I'm looking forward to putting this together with you guys. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at Cassian Andor's articulation and whatnot. First, his face, I think it's a really good likeness. I mean, it really is. I'm happy with what they did there. Head all the way down, head all the way up. It is just a single neck joint. Not really a left-right, so I'm not going to really talk about that. Arms, decent. The vest might come off. I'm not taking it off. However, it is not attached. There is no movement at the upper shoulder area. The turn is only going to be at the elbow. Speaking of elbows, we have about 90, maybe a little bit better on that one, and same on the other. This is going to be a left-right. Yeah, left-right. And then this guy is also a left-right. Not a whole lot of movement on that. Torso, decent movement, but I don't like, as you can see, you know, if you do fully up, you're definitely seeing more of that torso area. No other twist, just there. The holster is attached to the leg. I don't like when Hasbro does that, but it is. Let's take the blaster out there. We've got normal movement at the upper thigh. We have a double knee, it looks like. I don't know why it's not double kneeing for me, but it is a double knee joint. I'm not going to force it Yeah, I'm not going to force that. Not sure exactly what's going on. Oh, there it is. There it goes. Okay. So yeah, wow. Definitely some movement there on the knee. So good movement there. And then normal movement as you would expect at the heel. So yeah, I mean, overall, decent movement. Definitely happy with the knee. I was surprised. He's able to get some good stances. So looking forward to taking some pictures. But before we do that, let's take a look at the blaster here. So this is the blaster that fits in the holster. It's decent. You've got a little bit of metallic on there, so I'm happy when they do that. So what happens is you've got this guy here. It's going to fit right in there. Actually, let's get that right. I had it earlier. I swear I did. There we go. Yeah, that's where it goes. Sorry. So we got the sight on top. That the metallic fits on the side there. Perfect. And then we've got the back there. So I mean, wow. I'm really happy with that rifle. So you go from a holstered blaster to a rifle. So awesome with that. So I'm looking forward to taking some pictures and seeing how that works. Speaking of which, it is now time to take some pictures. This is where I really get a good feeling for the figure, what he's able to do, what he's not able to do, maybe some things that I wished he could do. And that way you guys can also take a look at the same time. If you have any questions while I'm going through this, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll be right back. All right, so that was definitely a good look at Captain Andor here. Overall, I like the figure. There's just a few issues that I have. I'm pretty sure this is just the old mold. And the reason I say that is the articulation on the arms just isn't there. They're not what I would have liked and or expected. You know, he's not able to hold the rifle the way that I would like him to be able to hold the rifle. But that being said, his articulation on his legs are awesome. The fact that the legs are stiff but still able to move to the positions that you want, I was really happy with. I like the fact that the blaster does come apart and can be reassembled as a rifle, and the fact that the blaster fits in his holster. My only real complaint on that whole thing is that the blaster or the rifle when assembled is a little flimsy-ish, and there's no other places to put the rifle parts. So when he is on the shelf, he is going to be on the full rifle, very similar to this stance here, not with the holster, only because he isn't going to be able to, there's no place to put it. So I don't want to lose it, especially as we add more figures to the collection here. But yeah, overall, definitely a good pickup, especially if you are collecting all of the Rogue One a Star Wars storyline. And I will definitely be unboxing more figures from this line. I've got one more in, and I've got another one coming here shortly, so looking forward to that. If you have any questions about the figure, like I said before, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interest, including Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, but we do other things as well, like home automation, gaming, theme parks, that sort of thing as well. If any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.